5 odd ways to save money. 1. Turn off the water while scrubbing dishes. Hand washing dishes just once daily can save 200 to 500 gallons of hot water per month. That's not just good for the environment. It's good for your wallet too. 2. Grow your own food. Produce doesn't always have to come from the grocery store or even the farmer's market. A wide variety of herbs, fruits, and veggies are easy to grow even indoors. A packet of seeds can cost less than $1, yet it can grow dozens of tomatoes or greens. 3. Fill up your tires. Properly inflated tires can increase fuel efficiency by more than 3%, which means less money spent on gas. Check tires frequently with a tire gauge to make sure they're adequately pumped up. 4. Buy in bulk. Buy personal care items, such as deodorant and hand soap, in bulk. Buying bulk almost always saves money on the unit price. 5. Go to the movies during the day. Hitting up a matinee can save a few buckaroos per person, and smuggling in a few healthier snacks can save a ton of money in your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.